With Create Studio, you can make every type of video in just minutes. Whether you need a video ad, social media content, a character explainer, doodle sketch videos, you can do it all and without any complex editing. In our intuitive drag and drop editor, you can import your own media, make edits, add text, and stylize your content with incredible visual effects. Effortlessly animate any layer in just a click using our built-in motion presets. You can also create your own custom animations with advanced options and custom easing on our full-feature timeline. Smart components allow you to quickly design scenes using pre-assembled elements and code to speed up your workflow. Adjust the size of your video to fit social, mobile, and other popular formats. Once you're ready, publish your video in your preferred resolution. Creating incredible videos has never been easier. So, what are you waiting for? Make better videos faster today at CreateStudio.com.